Hello, welcome to this presentation. I'm your presenter Morris Dimba. Today we are picking this discussion from our previous one where we discussed about imposed load application on slab, and today I'm going to briefly walk you through the structural analysis of the same structure, and this will be very interesting if you've been following it right from the start. So I'm using the same structure to give a brief walk into Tekla structure. I've not introduced any, but I'm using the same structure. Now, initially, I demonstrated how to apply briefly load on a slab. If I introduce you to another view of this, of our previous discussion, you'll see that on every floor or on we have a slab. You see the load applied, imposed load or loadings. These, yes, here they are. Now let's switch back to our isometric view and we proceed with our next discussion, which I've just said that today I'm going to show you how to briefly do analysis on a structure similar to this, where we are going to do a run. Actually, we are going to run a linear static analysis and and a non-linear analysis, and also we'll run unstressed vibration analysis to determine structures natural frequencies, and that one you can easily find in Tekla structure in Tekla structural design and analyze tab. Now you go to, we have categories here: first order and second order. We have first order linear, first order non-linear, and first order vibration. You'll get all the information the moment you hover your cursor on every button. You get the information below it. Now, what I want to do now is just to run a general analysis of all this, just to give you an introduction to Tekla Structural Designer. Now, this is the same structure I've been using right from the start. I've not modified, I've not changed it at all. Now, we'll just go straight away to analyze. I'll just go straight to analyze button, and I'll just click analyze all statics. Now I'll just do that and let the program do the rest. And as it run, you can see here you have the option of clicking the mesh two-way slab. If you want to show the rebars on the slab, you can check this. And if you want to show the grids on the final report, you can do this, you can check this. But since those will look so much, will make our presentation so busy or so clogged, and might discourage someone who is having a look at it. So there's no need, as long as the report will show the size of the bar of the rebars. That's all. Now, as you can see on the screen, the program is running the analysis. The moment it finishes, we'll see the result. Just give it some bit of minutes. That is it. We are moving still. So as it runs, we can note, though it's possible to go to other commands, but I don't want to interfere with the process. As you can see, we have the design here, we have the foundation, we have the reports, we have the draw, we have the windows, we have the model, and all the levels. This one I think we've discussed on the previous discussion of the same structure or a model. So what we're waiting here is the general analysis of static vibration, not really static vibration, on either unstressed vibration and non-linear and linear static analysis, which will include first order and second order. That's it. Let's wait for it to come. Though the running of this depends on the speed of your computer. If your computer has a higher spec, it might take very little time. But let's wait. It is a learning curve for those who have never used a technical structural designer. This is where to get started. And for the newcomers in this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you subscribe, it motivates to produce more video to the followers of this YouTube channel. Let's give it time to continue, though it's a big structure. Just be patient as we wait the outcome of this, the outcome of the analysis. And if you compare this to Tekla structure, navigating around the model was normally by a revolving kind of a symbol that you press on your left button, then you'll be able to maneuver around your model. But this one is a cube which has so many corners here, but if each corner, whenever you click on each corner, this will take you to an isometric view of all the sides of this model, and whichever side you click will give you the presentation of that side of this model. I'm starting seeing the results of this, and finally this is coming up. And sorry for waiting for that long. And remember, I told you these depend on the speed of your computer. If your computer has higher specs, this might take a little bit of your time. Now, this is a brief introduction to the analysis on the unstressed vibration analysis. Maybe if you want to determine the structure's natural frequency, you'll do that through the static analysis. You run everything, and from here you'll be able to get a linear static analysis and non-linear static analysis. This is it. And if I take you on a brief walk, we have under file, we have all these buttons, and you can check on slab reinforcement. Whenever you click on this, it will give you a different presentation of the component you are interested in. Like at this moment, we want to show the slab reinforcement, and this is what is represented. We have the H8, 100, and we have that. A beam status, it will take you to all the components representation of the model or of this structure. Just continue doing that. Restrained and restrained, diaphragm on off, and we go back to status, and that's all about this. And maybe you intend to run a report of this. don't hesitate, just go to a report. Under report, just go straight to show the report. It will be generated for you on the spot. Let's wait for it, though it will be a good number of pages, close to 100 or 99 there. You can see here it is creating pages. At the moment we are on page 46. The final, when it's finalized, you'll see a preview of everything. And as I showed you on the previous presentation, that you can export that report to a PDF. This is it, and it's yet to generate a preview or the isometric view of the whole structure, with a whole structure showing all the images of the general analysis of both first order and second order. That's it. And this being a report having several pages, if I go on and convert this to PDF, it might take longer. But I hope you'll do this on your own, and you'll be able to export this into PDF, and it will take a little bit of time to get the final result into PDF. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and once again I'll want to go back where I was before. This is where our report is. You can export this to PDF, and this is our result. I'll wind up on this spot, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'm your presenter, Maurice Dimba. We will be moving on for quite a number of days with the Tekla structural designer to spread the information to our to the YouTube channel followers. At least you get something to start on with Tekla structural designer. Thanks a lot. I'm your presenter, Maurice Dimba, and keep following this YouTube channel for more insight about Tekla structures product. Thank you, and bye bye.